Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all. I am most grateful for the people that support me on this channel, and I am grateful for my family, and I am grateful for all the ones that do love me and support me in whatever I do. And so without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, I am still sick. Yes, I am still sick. It's been probably about a week now. But I was really curious about this. Yeah, this beauty brand. And I was like, you know what? Let me try it out for the mini version and let me share it with you guys, because this is the advent calendar. And I noticed that their brand is like dupes for certain brands. Like I saw that they had a lip pencil that looked like Charolette Tilbury's, and I was like, you know what? If I could spend like $10 on a lip liner instead of 20, and it's like the same creamy formula or whatever, I'm gonna try it. And so without further ado, let's open it. Chat, what is your guys' favorite holiday food or like Thanksgiving food? I like eating the ham and turkey and potatoes. It's all really good. I really like Thanksgiving food, and it's really tasty to me. Okay. Oh my gosh. Also, I'm getting ready as I'm opening this, so hopefully I can use some of this product today, because I'm really curious. And it has to last all day, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, here's one. Let's see what she gets. I just took out the whole thing. Oh, nice! It's a mini mascara. It's a mini mascara. I am definitely gonna wear this. I don't know. I've never had an advent calendar. This is really tiny too. Oh my gosh. There is. And it's this tiny little heart-shaped powder puff. Cute. Okay, it's another like maybe full size. It says it's for hot hair and brow. Ooh, it's like a brow gel. Nice. Here's four. It's literally a mini. Like, they have compact powders and they literally look like Charlotte Tilbury's pressed powder. Like, it's literally the same. Aw, it's so cute. It's got like a little mirror and everything. But this is like a translucent powder. It's called Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder. So definitely, I want to try it underneath my under eye today. See how that goes. Here is 5. It's a cheek and lip tint, and the color Dusk. Ooh. It literally matches my nails. Cute. I could possibly use this. I could. Here's 6. This is making me excited. This is really making me excited. Because I've never heard of MCO Beauty. I've never heard of it. Unless I have and I don't remember it. But oh, I feel like I know what it is. Yep. It's like a mini drop. Like one of those things that you put on before makeup. And it's the color gold. Oh, no. It's a highlighter. It's a highlighter. Oh my god. but it comes off as like my my Ariana Grande. It looks like it would be gold, but it turns out to be like this iridescent color on me. Like, yeah, you know? But if it was gold, it would be more of like that gold, you know? I don't know. Let's get to it. Here's 7. It's a little egg blender. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so funny. There it goes. There it goes. Here's 8. This looks a lot bigger. Oh. Yay! And setting spray. And it looked like Charlotte Tilbury's. I really like their setting spray. I'm gonna see if this is a good dupe, y'all. I'm gonna see. Here's 9. Yeah, chat, like this bigger box for this tiny thing. It is. It's another lippy. It's a peptide lip treatment, buttercream flavor. It smells really good. Let me put some on. And it's really buttery. I like the application too, because it's like clear tip and it's like jelly. Like, it's not like the hard plastic, it's like a jelly. I don't recommend tasting it. Yeah. Oh, it feels really nice on my lip. Oh, it instantly hydrated my lips. Here's 10. We're almost there, y'all. Almost there. I got a grip primer. This looks like Elf's grip primer, or like Kose's, or no, Milk's primer. I think I want to try this for my primer today. Yay, we got so many goodies. 11. Chat, did anybody else watch Stranger Things last night? Like, I literally binge watched it all in one go, and I probably shouldn't have, but it was good, but like, it wasn't like, wow, that was so good. But I did get excited about one thing. Max, I got excited seeing her. See, this is what I was talking about. It looks like Charlotte Tilbury's, right? Right, okay. This is called Perfect Pout. And the color is Cheeky Chat. And it's looking like a mauve color. It's looking like that. It's like almost Pillow Talk. Let me see if I have it. Pillow Talk in medium, maybe. Almost. We're almost. Like, that's almost. Oh, last but not least, here's 12. Cute. The bronzing drops. I don't really use this. And look at like the little tip. It's like that jelly stuff. It's not the plastic, which I like. Cause like people be putting this on their face, you know? I'm not really sure how to use bronzing drops. Maybe on my body and whatnot, but I don't really use it. I don't really understand it, but it's cute. It's very, very cute. It's pretty good. Like, I could do full face right now, but I'm not, because I don't have foundation with it, but you know, yeah, I mean, like, it's for $20 you get like good products, you know, like this is probably gonna be good, this is probably gonna be good, these two are gonna be good. Like, I think the whole thing is good. I can really use without, like, you know, the beauty blenders because I have enough of those, but lip liners, press powder. I wish I had it a little bit bigger because this is a little mini. Lippies, can never have enough of like lippies, and like my lips are feeling really hydrated, so chat, like I will most likely be getting more of this, and this is probably like $5 at Target, and I've noticed they only have in my Target. Thank you so much for watching, unboxing and all that. I'm gonna do another video where I get ready with all this makeup, so if you want to stay tuned, let's get to it.